Hello and Assalamu alaikum friends. We will learn in this video how to repair electric iron in your home. Yes, people do still iron this fix it. Guide on electric iron repair tells how an electric iron works, what often goes wrong, how to identify an electric iron problems, and what parts and tools you will need to fix it. It then gives simple step-by-step instructions for how to clean an iron, how to service an iron steam and spray mechanism, and how to clean a metal sole plate. This fix it guide also refers to electrical code repair and appliance control repair. For more information on specific repair. Number 1. How does an electric iron work? Whether it's a basic no frills iron, a cordless model, a compact travel iron, or an electronic iron loaded with features, all steam iron work in the same way. They press out wrinkles in fabric using moisture, pressure and heat. When the steam value in close, the iron operates dry. When the steam valve in open water drip into a heated steam chamber where it excites as steam through vent in the sole plate. The iron working surface, the sole plate, may be plain metal or coated with an easily to clean non-stick material. What can go wrong with an electric iron? Fortunately, there is very little inside a well-made iron that can go wrong. Most repair are for faulty codes, damaged handles and mineral deposit that hammer steam irons. Problems with an iron's electronics components should be dealt with by a authorized service center. It typically is more cost effective to replace rather than repair an iron with internal problems. Check the owner manual for your iron to learn the manufacturer's suggestions for cleaning, what water to use and storage tip. Fix it tip. Soft water systems add minerals that can harm an electric steam iron and your clothes, so don't fill that iron with softened water. Instead, use filtered or distilled water. How can identify an electric iron problems? As with many small appliances, regular maintenance make a dramatic difference in how trouble-free your electric iron will be. Even so, things can happen. If the iron does not heat, make sure power is on to the outlet. Check the electrical code and check the thermostat. See the appliance control fix it guide and replace if necessary. If the iron heats but steams improperly, inspect the sole plate and clean the vents. See below and flush sediment out of the steam chamber. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and comment a beautiful like. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Now meet in next video. Thank you.